In this video, I will show you how you can install the Trust wallet, an ERC20 Ethereum wallet, which also supports many other different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. In my opinion, it's a very good way to start dabbling in cryptocurrency without having any complicated things such as a ledger. But I'd highly suggest using maybe a ledger hardware wallet if you want to invest a large sum of money. But if you just want to try cryptocurrencies out and maybe interact with a dApp or other applications which are based on the Ethereum blockchain and so on, then I'd highly recommend such an easy wallet such as the Trust wallet. Now click on install to install the wallet. So the Trust wallet supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Tron, and many different ERC20 tokens, and also ERC 223 tokens, which is fantastic. Now you can click on open to open the Trust wallet. Very simple. You can click on create a new wallet, and you have to understand you have to back up these keys. If you do not back up these keys, then you will have no access to the wallet and no access to the funds on the wallet. So this is a very crucial step. Make sure that these keys are saved in a very secure location. So click on continue. And here we've got my recovery phrase, and you have to also save it in the same order as it's displayed on the screen. So we've got these words. I'll write them down super fast. You also have the option to show the QR code, and you can save this QR code as another option to restore the wallet. So maybe you can do both. And we've written down these 12 super secret words that I'm sharing with you, but do not send any funds to this wallet as I won't be using this wallet for obvious reasons. All right, now when these words are typed into the app, click on done, and it will be creating your wallet. And as you can see, with these very simple steps, you already created a cryptocurrency wallet which is capable of accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, many different ERC20 tokens. And it's super easy to receive currencies onto this wallet. You can access dApps. You've got a different list of dApps that you can see from here. I'll be making more videos about these dApps and how you can use them in combination with the Trust wallet. So if you're on the wallet, you can receive some Ethereum. You can click on the Ethereum button, click on receive, and this is the address on which you can receive some Ethereum. So now the app is installed. The first thing you've got the Ethereum wallet, you've got the Bitcoin wallet and BNB wallet, which at the moment all have 0 Ethereum. If you want to receive an ERC20 token or some Ethereum, you can just click on the Ethereum wallet and click on receive. And this way you can fund this account with some Ethereum, and you probably have to do that in order to buy maybe some token sets or interact with some dApps in the future. You can also buy some Ethereum from within the app. However, as a small note, it's probably going to be a bit more expensive than if you buy some Ethereum with a bank transfer on Coinbase or Bitpanda or Kraken and so on. But if you want to try with a little bit of Ethereum, you can buy some from within the app. You just can click on buy ETH, and you can buy some Ethereum with their partner program. So you can select, for example, $250 US. You just click on yes, and then on continue, and then you will be redirected to their partners called a Simplex, which is an exchange in Europe. And here you can put in your credit card information to be able to buy some Ethereum using your credit card, either Visa or MasterCard. And then as soon as you've done that and you've filled out all this information on the app, you can continue by processing the payment. I think this is one of the easiest ways to fund your account, to play around with some Ethereum, to play around and be able to interact with some apps. I think this is the easiest way to do it. You probably won't have the best exchange rate, so make sure you look at the exchange rates, but it's probably going to be a few % higher than maybe using another exchange. So if you want to send a little bit more money, invest a little bit more money, then I'd suggest doing it in another way and not with your credit card. Thanks a lot for watching this video. It was a super short guide on how to install the Trust wallet onto your phone. Hope you found this valuable. To subscribe to this channel if you want to have some more valuable how-to guides and so on. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.